Hey guys, it's Onelsi and welcome to my channel.
Esta la situación. Esta la situación.
It has been a minute since I filmed for my main channel. I have been working on creating content for my own brand, Eternidad. I've just been creating content, doing photo shoots, creating reels and shorts for YouTube, working on my website, planning for the upcoming months. So I've just been doing that. But I thought it would be fun to do another vlog of kind of like behind the scenes of creating content and filming for my business. So yeah, if you didn't know, or if this is the first time you're watching me, hi. I have a jewelry brand. It's called Eternidad. You can check out my website, shopeternidad.com. You can also check out like some really nice photos and reels on Instagram, Eternidad brand. I also have a Pinterest where I get like tons of inspiration, and then we're also on YouTube, so a lot of the things that I feature on Instagram I also put on YouTube, like the reels. So I've been filming for my brand Eternidad. I'll show you guys some behind the scene footage of like my past photo shoot. I'm so excited because I have so many things planned and so many like ideas, and it's hard to just kind of like put it on pen and paper or when I'm editing. It's a really long process. It's okay because I want to work on my craft, and the best way I can do that is just by doing it. I'm no professional whatsoever, but I want to be able to continue to work on this, creating videos, creating content, filming, basically creating memories. My goal for my brand and for my business is to create memories, to inspire others to create memories, especially when they may not be feeling the best. But at least for me, when I put on my jewelry, I feel really great. I feel beautiful. I feel confident. Like, look, I'm wearing my hoop earrings and I feel great because I wear them to work. I wear them when I'm going out, but I mean, I look great. I look good and I feel good. I have my rings on. Just show you. I really love the quality of the jewelry. And I have one of my necklaces on today. You can go to shopeternidad.com. I have some things that I'm working out. I have sales here and there, but if you do want to receive discounts, you can sign up for a newsletter. I have something that I'm working on for the upcoming month. So I'm working on a newsletter as well as a sale, and kind of just sharing more information about Hispanic Heritage Month. As a Latina, I feel like it's important to embrace where I come from and to share that with others, to embrace, who they are. I want others to understand their heritage and to be proud of where they come from. Hopefully one day I can give back to my community, to the Latinos and the Latinas, the people that work hard. Every Latino that I know is a hardworking person. I'm excited. So if you are interested, if you are a Latina, or you come from a Spanish speaking country, or you're bilingual, there's just so many different things. I'm proud. I don't really see this a lot sometimes, but I've been so inspired with like the past few months, and since it's right around the corner, I want to be able to celebrate this upcoming month and to share that with you guys. So even if you're not a Latino or Hispanic, you can still learn something and you can take advantage of that, because you can sign up for a newsletter and you can learn. I'm going to be sharing a little bit of like where I come from and what inspired me. I just took a trip and I saw an exhibit, like a Latino exhibit, and it was so inspiring to see so many Latinos and Latinas and what they've done for this country, or what they've just done in general, whether it's doctors or artists, entrepreneurs, athletes, just so many different people. And I want to be able to give back, and whether that's knowledge or just anything in general, I want to be able to inspire. So I've been shooting B-roll when I did the photo shoots, and right now I'm gonna do another 2 more reels, basically just shooting for like future content that I'll be putting out. I kind of have like a theme going on right now, or I want to be more inspiring with the content that I put out. So I've been doing like quotes that I've been gathering. Another thing that I want is to share with my audience, with my customers, my future customers, you know, people that view my page or my channel or my website, to stop and think with consumption, with the things that they buy, whether it's sustainable or eco-friendly, or is that a quality product. So that's kind of like what I'm trying to do, as well as like for themselves, to inspire the woman that I am, you know, sharing it to. So there's just a lot that I want to do for my business and for my brand, and share with whoever comes across my page, show them that it's okay to shop online, to also understand like it's better, especially at my age. I want to keep pieces for the rest of my life and give them to next generations. I don't have that many pieces of jewelry, so the pieces that I have now are pieces that I resonate with, that I love, because I can be able to express myself with them. So that is what I have for today. I love what I'm doing now with my business. It's going to be a journey. I have so much to learn. I'm still learning, but it's been a year since I decided like this is what I'm gonna do. Like even before that, I knew I wanted to do something, have a business, something that would be mine. Only a few months ago, I actually I said, okay, like this is my business. Months before that, I decided on a name. So everything takes within time. I'm just really excited to see a year from now where I'll be at, and I'm going to try my hardest to bring you guys with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below what you would like to see for my business. Also, did you peep my background? Super cute. It's a wardrobe. I love it. It's from IKEA, if you were wondering. I have all my jewelry here, so I'm gonna film more stuff for you guys. So please subscribe. Check out my business, my jewelry brand, Eternidad. Shop eternidad.com. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. So, gotta feel yourself sometimes, you know. And slides. And then I have a wrap.